January 13th, 2021 Daily Math Review number 2. Gum is on sale at the grocery store at a price of 2 packs for $6. Aliyah buys 8 packs of gum. If she's charged the sale price for gum, how much will Aliyah pay? So first of all, we're going to notice that 2 packs of gum cost $6. So we need to figure out 2 packs of gum cost $6. Remember, we're going to put the money on top. Maybe. There we go. Money on top. So $6 for 2 packs of gum. So the unit rate for 1 pack of gum, we're going to do 6 divided by 2. Well, I know that 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3. So it's going to be $3 for 1 pack of gum. Now, our question asks if she buys 8 packs of gum. So if she buys 8 packs of gum, so how do you get from 1 to 8? We're going to multiply by 8. So we're going to multiply 3 times 8, and we are going to get 24. So our answer is $24. You can put 8 packs of gum. Or you can put $24, that is fine. And that's going to be it. That's it for our DMR number 2. Great job.